Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick sound test between these three samplers here. The reason I chose these samplers because they're relatively cheap. You can get any of these for under $120. Actually, $120, $80, about $80 to $100 here. And so the reason why you would want multiple samplers, well, just listen to the playback between each of these samplers. They all have different sounds and they all provide different options as far as use and making beats with. But without any further ado, let's get into the sound test. So swipe to the left. Oh, hey, really quick, I just want to explain that this isn't the most scientific test here, okay? I didn't measure the decibels going in and I didn't measure the decibels going out. But what I did do from a koala, I just made sure that when it was playing back, it maybe clipped about once or twice during recording, right? And then I try to match the levels on the way out. So yeah, and I did that with each one of these. So it slightly clips, and that's what you want. You want to hear the preamp. And these are all plugged into the microphone preamp, except for the PO33. That was just plugged into the regular input. Well, that was plugged into the microphone preamp. This is plugged into the mic preamp. And I love the sound of a good saturated preamp. So we'll see how it goes. So here's the sound test. Sorry to delay that, so just swipe to the left. So yeah, right? I mean, completely different sound characters from each of these. I'm not going to point out my favorite, but I like all of these for different reasons. You know, the SU10 isn't as robust as the MS1, but you have this wonderful little strip here, which will allow you to sort of play around with the filters and the pitch. It also has a scale mode, so you can pitch things up and down. Um, you know, the PO33 is awesome. It allows you to pitch things up and down, but it also has a wonderful built-in sequencer, although the sound is not desirable for certain things, for most things, but it completely nails certain things here. Um, the MS1 is awesome. Big, robust, awesome sound, but it's very limited. And you have to sort of find these out of the way memory storage devices. So, take it for what it is.